how to remove gamma watermark from PPT using Canva. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the gamma AI watermark for free using Canva. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and let's get started. As you can see, this gamma PowerPoint I created has a watermark on a few of the slides. To remove it, first sign up for a Canva account. Don't worry, you don't need the paid version for this. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, click Create a Design. Then choose Presentation and select the 16:9 option. Next, click the Uploads icon and upload your gamma presentation. Wait for Canva to load all the slides. Select the Upload again and click Apply All Pages. Now, go through each slide one by one. Find the gamma watermark, usually at the bottom corner. Just left-click on the watermark and press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard and it'll be removed. Once you've removed all the watermarks, give your presentation a new name. Click the Share button at the top, then Download. Now click on Download. And that's it. As you can see, the newly downloaded presentation is watermark free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.